Alright guys, so today me and my friend are gonna go and restore or revive this old school BMW. I'll tell you the whole story very soon about this car. So I got my scan tool I'm gonna use. We got a bunch of tools. Tire pump just in case the car sat for a long time. Jumper cables, blowgun. I got the headlamp, very important. And here we go. We have all the tools ready to go, ready to revive another old school BMW today. Guys, we are in paradise. We're gonna work on these, not on all of these amazing machines, but on specifically one of them today. But I'll quickly show you these amazing cars as well. We got BMW E32 here. This is a legendary E34 535i, originally from the United States. It's a manual car now. It used to be automatic when it came here in the 90s. S600 W140, another W140 right here, V8, and W126. I think 300 SC or 260 SC, and then we got a couple more legends right there. Hey guys, welcome back to VITO'S Garage. Thanks so much for watching and tuning in. Today we're going to be reviving this legendary car. It's a 1995 BMW 750iL long wheelbase, and this is the car that's been sitting here for about 4 years. There's a long story to this car, and this car has been in the family for a long time, since the 90s. I think since brand new, since 1995. And we randomly just saw these cars, and today we're going to be working on this car. There's a problem with this car. A quick story is about, I think 4 or 5 years ago, this car, there was a flooding here. We are in the Middle East right now, and actually sometimes it rains, and it can rain hard here. And this car got flooded about 4 or 5 years ago. And then after that, the passenger side floor got wet. And then apparently, or from what the owner's telling me, that the computer box got all wet and all that stuff. There was water in it. So it developed a no crank, no start condition. Then they didn't know what to do. They ended up getting this car taken to a mechanic, but here not all mechanics are good. So they did some crazy stuff to this car. They ended up cutting the wires to the computer and all kinds of craziness that they did. And the owner showed me some videos, which I'm going to include to you. He had to actually fix the wires, connect them back together and all that. So right now at this moment, this car has a crank no start. So we're gonna try to get this car back on the road. A really legendary car, and I'm excited for that. I have my friend, he's gonna be helping me as well. So let's get started. Well, here's the interior of this legendary car. Really nice. Needs a little love, but look at this big boat, long wheelbase. What a nice car. The owner has a really nice E38 as well. It's a 750iL. Very clean car as well. 6-cylinder. Reopen that. Oh, look at that. The owner got some really good things for us. Wow. Thank you, sir. Try this.
You bring the diagram?
Yeah, I brought some diagrams as well. Yeah, I have the vice grips too. We can use for that. Look at that, this car even has factory phone, everything. Just a little dusty, that's nice. Yeah. Okay, so you do have a battery. We have jumper cables, if anything, as well.
I have
So,
two in my car. I bring two.
No worries, let's take our time. Let me grab the tools and we'll get started on this.
Okay. You put it in charge.
Oh, okay.
Today morning.
Yeah, I'm surprised because that one was okay. You just hold that button, the red one, it will turn on. Oh, 11.8, so it's a little bit lower than that one.
I have another one also.
No problem, no problem. Well, I guess you can make BMW hoods also open up to 90 degrees.
Not only Mercedes.
Not only the Benzes. Yeah, we just disconnected this strut and just put some bolts in there to hold it in place, and now it's holding pretty good. And we'll be fine. Yeah, go ahead, connect that. First time connecting electricity to this car after 4 years. All right, cool. Let me try with the key, see what happens. But before doing that, that's my main practice. I'm gonna check the oil level on this thing. I think we checked it last time, but I wanna make sure that she's okay. Okay, we got oil. And that's the key. This is the only key you have, right, sir?
Yeah,
okay, no problem, no problem. Let me check the coolant. Nothing there, but it's okay for now. We're gonna keep an eye on it if it starts. It starts, okay. I got some wiring diagrams for this, mainly for the computer, like powers and grounds and things like that, in case we need to test that. Many things. Okay. There it is. She's a little scared. Check brake linings. Every BMW has this message, I swear to God. Check brake linings. 216,000. It's showing no fuel. Is that disconnected in the back? Oh, okay. Let me turn that off. Let's connect that.
Only the hose.
The fuel hose is disconnected? Oh, yeah.
But the fuel pump is connected.
Okay, well, fuel hose needs to be connected. Let me see. Ah, okay. That's fine. Just leave it like this for now. That's fine. So, okay, let me give it a try. Crank it. Maybe it will crank. That sounds weird. Hey, Jara, can you please check to see if the engine is turning, if the belt is turning? The belt is turning? The battery is not, I think the battery may be just not powerful enough, you know? Another thing, we should probably tighten this terminal. This one.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna need his adapter so we can connect to this.
This is another one, Vito, right?
Yeah.
China, this one.
Okay, it's connected. It's tightened.
Oh.
No, be careful, Vito.
Yeah. Let's wipe this off. Still has the factory phone. That's crazy. One owner only. That's awesome. And we have this hose disconnected for now because we want to see if there's any fuel that's going to come out. But the fuel level is showing nothing in there. Maybe it is low. I think it's really low, or there's nothing in there. Oh, okay, it's jumped right here. I see that. Okay. CWS. Okay, let me see. I'll remove that and see if it will crank without that. Check. Okay, now it's out. Let's see if it will crank. Oop. No, now it doesn't crank. All right, put the cap back on. It's clean. All righty. Okay, so after removing the bypass valve from the EWS, the car doesn't crank. So we will try to scan it first, see what happens. Scan the EWS if we can, and the engine computers. All right. Let's see. Failed to read the VIN. Okay. I'm gonna have to enter the VIN number manually. See, when it's scanning engine control module, it says not equipped, and then engine control module 2 is also not equipped. And then the immobilizer fuses, which is 26 here. That one is good. And then 44, which is 44 is this one. It's also good. Fuses are okay there. Showing DCM equipped, ABS equipped, SRS equipped, but the engine control modules are not equipped. Okay, let's see the TCM. See if it can communicate, or if it's gonna do. That's strange. It's only giving me the information of that. It's part number. System scan. So the engine control module fuses 22 is good. 24 is also good. Okay, so this is the SRS. It's reading something from SRS, some fault codes. We don't care about that. But these are the only modules that it can talk to, at least this scan tool, TCM. Let's see at least if there's anything in TCM that we can see. Continue, read fault codes. I apologize for the glare. Solenoid valve, pressure actuator. Okay. I'm just gonna delete those, because why not? Read fault codes again, no fault codes. See how we can get this thing to talk to TCM somehow. Okay, let's check all these powers here. Maybe you should find a better ground, Vito. Oh. Damn, I feel like a rookie, man.
1 hour later.
This cable, battery cable, stole all my space. Here. Okay. Just want to check all of these. You might be getting some voltage drop here too, but let's see. Just gotta start with some small things first. Okay. Alright, so this checks out good. Trying another scan tool now. Hopefully we can get something going. This one has engine power control. Clear, gonna clear that. It's still, the fault codes are still there, not going out. And these codes will not clear. Key not detect EWS, mobilizer fault. But, okay, it's still scanning, but I don't like that it's not showing the engine control module. These looks from slave DME. But yeah, EWS showing something at fault. We'll check that.
بس هذيك.
ايه ادري عارف ادري. هو يشتغل بس امريكي وياباني.
Try to crank the car. Try to start it. I want to see something. Try again. Okay, leave it there. Okay, so it's recognizing the engine speed, so that's good. That means that the crank sensors are good. Okay, but we still got the problem, couple of problems. It's not talking to the computers, and the EWS has a problem with the key, not recognizing the key. Key 5 not detected. I don't know if it has been like this or what. Okay. Clear codes. Yes. Codes not found. You know these are unfinished. For now, yeah. Visually, they look pretty good.
See, they looked open before.
Yeah, they were open, yeah. This appears to be all fine.
I can have a yeah. That's corrosion here.
A little bit there, yeah, actually. And there. Okay.
Okay, let's remove
Let's open it a little more,
Okay.
and then fold it down, and we're gonna start cleaning that too with the cleaner. Oh, okay, cool. And this side looks fine.
The problem is sometimes I see like this.
Yeah.
It's burned up. You can't see it with your
Yeah.
eye.
So after a while, we put the computers back, everything cleaned up from corrosion, and reconnected, checked powers and grounds, they're good for the both computers. So we're gonna try to crank the engine. Okay, so we're gonna try to crank it. I'm just gonna close this manual with this relay. Maybe it will do something. Okay, try it. Okay, you need to check the cable. Not enough power. You need to check the cable.
A few moments.
Okay, try again.
حتى البطارية تعبانة.
Yeah, battery something. Okay, so took out this carpet on this car to just check these contacts, and look how everything's corroded here. And also this right there. I don't know, maybe this is a communication or a ground. It's also important. So this needs to be all taken out and cleaned. Also, so what's under this? There's a bunch of corrosion under this plastic cover that also needs to be addressed.
الدولة أي ملاك الدولة؟
هم يسحبونها إذا ما انتج لازم تنتج.
Okay, so I removed that plastic piece and now these are all the connections and they're all corroded. Some of the wires are broken. So this is a big issue as well. They need to be checked and cleaned.
One eternity later.
Do you think we should remove the fuse and clean down?
We could do
Or
that actually.
we can test just.
First we can just test. We can
Yes.
just test.
If it's connected,
Yeah.
it's working. Check the ground.
Amazing machine. Gonna be alive soon.
I believe it will be down.
Cleaned all of these connections right here. They were corroded. That's all good now. Pumping the tires a little bit. No, that.
Now I went to the new issues in this car.
لا لازم.
والله لازم بس يا اخي تغثك يوم ما تكون فاضي لها تعطيك الحركه مالتها
الخايسة.
تسبها اي والله تسبها. Before maybe 15 minutes I put contact cleaner.
Yeah.
I clean them a little bit.
Just wait.
Okay, move.
We're gonna connect the EWS, the old one, back for right now.
هذا ايام زياده هذول هناك عند الجير عند الكمبيوترات.
I'm gonna try it. Okay, now we're gonna turn the key on. Got new battery. I'm gonna try to start this amazing machine very soon. It's been like 3 months. The owner brought the parts from Saudi Arabia, 2 computers and another EWS. For now, we're keeping the original EWS. We'll see if it's gonna start. Okay, I'm gonna turn the key on, and I gotta see what it's gonna show for me on the scan tool. Yeah, okay, so this is what it looks like. We swapped this one to the other key. Now, I disconnected this transmission module just to see what it's gonna read. Is the key on right now or no? Let's see, yeah, the key is on. So we're gonna see if it's gonna read it's gonna show that the transmission module, whether it's not equipped or it just can't communicate with that. So let's let the scan tool do its thing. So we do have the fuel pump, which is really good now. And we will see if we have injector pulse in a little bit. You need a clamp, right, and screwdriver?
So I'm looking for it. Was it?
Yeah, the hose is broken right here. Ooh. And it was also kinked here. Before, it was kinked. Ooh. We can change it. It's just right there. We can change it. It's a little hard to get to, but we can change that. Let's see if I can unplug it. Looks like it's not even plugged in all the way. Oh. Let me disconnect that. Yeah, I think so. We're gonna have a first start of this amazing machine. Okay. Let me check. Need to change. Yeah, this should be the good one, good size. Okay, so with the trans module disconnected, it's showing that it's not there. It doesn't show like not equipped, but it's showing it's not there. Okay.
غش مرة صايرين وايد غاليين والله. وين تحصل لك واحد على 2000 ولا 1500 ولا 3000 صح؟
والله ممكن تبي اكلم لك هذا صاحبي. مو اكلم لك اياه.
Jara, go ahead, crank the engine. We're gonna check this thing. If there's spark or no. Spark. Yay! Good. All right, we have spark. We have good news. Okay.
Other side.
And then we'll check this side as well. Let me reconnect that for you because I already have gloves on.
No.
You got it?
Yes.
You sure? Okay. We'll tell you when to crank. Go ahead, crank. Yes. Okay.
Is the fuel line and one is fuel, one is return.
Wait. No, I mean, let me feel this pump because we had some fuel. Can you check the gauge, how much fuel we have? Maybe we're low on fuel, yeah. As well.
What sound?
Turn it off. Turn it back on. The pump is working. On? Off? On? Yeah, pump is working. Okay. Okay guys, we're almost ready to start this amazing machine. It's been 3 months. The owner got a kit from Saudi Arabia. Actually came with 2 ECMs and EWS with the key, because those 2 ECMs, the car was flooded before. You guys can check my other videos that I filmed not too long ago. But we do have spark right now. The car is cranking with another EWS, and for some reason it's still not communicating with the engine, but we do have the fuel pump. It's actually coming on. We checked that. Also had to replace this hose right here. We got a new battery as well, so we just need to give it a little bit more juice from the booster, because we had the ignition on for a long time. But we're gonna go ahead and try to start it here shortly. Somebody played with this car before. They cut a bunch of wires here. They did so many bad things for this car, but the owner put the wires back together, but there was a problem with the car just not running. So now we're gonna try and start this machine. We do have oil present, everything is good. Spark is there, like I said. And last thing, but hopefully we do have an injector pulse. So we'll see what happens here shortly. I'll take these. Okay, now we're gonna get some fresh fuel for that car and we'll go back. This car is also really nice, and the owner has this really nice wood on here. I was actually really impressed. And this is inline 6 E38, so you can't find this car in the US. We're just gonna flush this.
But how we do it?
Just like this. Okay, a little more. Just a little bit. Okay, good. Perfect. So I want to flush this.
Take use the red one.
It's okay, it will go. No problem. Benzene. But this car, I think, uses different color, I believe. I think.
Water.
Just water. Okay.
So,
There. Okay, we got jumper cables connected to this car. Fuel level sensor, I don't think it's working, but okay, anyways, we're gonna try to start it. Stop. Give it a second. Okay, go. So anyways, there was a problem when we were cranking. There was smoke coming out of here, and I'm guessing it's from the starter because I checked everything is fine here. I removed the engine cover. I guess one of the injectors was also disconnected because the owner was checking something like a year ago. We reconnected that. But now, just in case, we're gonna get a fire extinguisher in here, just in case. Now we have the key turned on and there's no smoke, but I think there's something with the starter. When you're cranking it long enough, it will start kind of like smoking a little, and that's the situation we're having now. So we have the fire extinguisher just in case, and yeah, you need to be safe. And I think I'm gonna jack it up here shortly and see if I can see anything. But last time I checked it, everything was fine with the starter. So. Okay, stop. Some of these injectors were disconnected. This one I just connected. This one, that's connected. That's connected. Okay, that one is connected. One more was disconnected there. Yeah. Check this side. Check those ones. See if they're connected.
did you check also the injectors?
Make sure all the spark plug wires are in all the
I
way.
remove some of them this side.
الوايرات
هذه اعتقد لا بس شيء.
Go turn key on, off and on. Crank it just a little bit. There is fuel in there. Yeah. A lot of it. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. So close. Wait a few seconds and try again.
Last time you test the throttle bodies, right?
Yeah.
They will
No, throttle bodies, it will still start with bad throttle bodies. It will still start. Even if they're bad. Wait. And I think one more right there. Okay. Careful, the boots.
كويس خلاص خلي تحت بس.
Leave it like that. Stop! I don't smell anything here. But it's firing. It's trying to run. So we're gonna open this side just to check to see if there's anything crazy going on there. This side is okay, there's no leakage. Just like this, yeah. Let me try to remove this and reconnect. Maybe the gauge will start working. I think it's a little bit stuck. I want to be careful with that. Let me get some WD-40, please.
هذا اتوقع مالت المرسيدس صح؟
Stop! Try to start, Jara. Stop! I think that's like really too much fuel now. I think. Try again. Stop! Are these even the correct spark plugs for this thing?
I think so. The 740 same.
Stop! Try to start it. Yeah, again. Stop. First start after so many years. Finally, we got to the bottom of it. We got to the bottom of it. Well, guys, there you have it. She's running. Finally, we got to the bottom of it. Hell yeah. So, things are awesome. These are the first steps of this amazing machine. It started raining here as well. But these are the first steps of this amazing machine after so long. It's pretty amazing. We are all super happy and excited. There's an oil pressure light right there, but that's because there's a problem. We verified it has oil pressure. Okay, they're gonna need to test with the mechanical gauge, but we opened the filter here and there was oil coming out, so there is oil pressure. But they will need to verify this with the mechanical gauge to make sure for sure that we're good. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be all good.
Good evening, Vito. The E38 interior is completed. Just I need to do some glue here, and I have missing some clips for this one only. But I collect everything here, and also this I will try to make any solution for this. I think I will make a new for my also here. This is not for this car. Also here. And now do you know what is the problem? I found some water here. It's a little bit wet, so I will keep the windows open